In this video, I will show you how to post across your social media platforms using GoHighLevel. So GoHighLevel has a very nifty tool. If you go onto the left-hand side and click on Marketing, you can see that you have a social media planner here, and all your social media accounts that you have are linked to this. Not all of them, but some of them, the ones that are allowed. Um, Google My Business, so Google Search Console is linked. Um, your Facebook account, Instagram account, and your LinkedIn account. These are the only ones that are allowed so far. So when we get here, you can uh, create a new post. So we're going to click on the top right to new post, and you are going to select which accounts you want to post this on. Let's try to do them at all. We may have some issues, but let's see if we can do this. I've already drafted my content, so I just want to copy and paste this content on here. And I want to, I've already created my video, so I want to select my video. My videos are not in my library, so I've created a folder for videos, and you can do the same by creating a folder. And I'm going to upload the file. Now that it's uploaded, I'm going to double click on it, and it's loading. Right, now that it's loading, now it says Google My Business does not support multiple images or videos. So I'm going to go back up here, and I'm going to unselect Google My Business. And now it looks like it's ready to post. So I'm going to post this straight away. As you can see, I have a link over here as well, because it's nice to have a link so people can click directly on it. Here's a preview of this video. And this is great. So I'm going to post this. I'm going to post it now, or I can schedule it to post it later. So you can also schedule your posts here. If you do that, then you can choose which date you want to schedule it for. But in this instance, I want to post now, and they are posted. But as you know, I deselected my Google My Business account. So what I'm going to do now is go into my Google My Business account, which is in my Google profile. I'm going to go to the right account. I've got multiple accounts here. And I prefer using this platform. And I'm going to go here to posts. I'm going to go to offers. And here on the bottom right, if I click on this blue button, I'm going to go on what's new offer. No, I think I just want to go to what's new, and I want to upload that same video. I want to write my post, which I've already copied and pasted, and that's up there now. And then I want to add a button to sign up, and I want to copy the URL. That means the link, so that people can sign up directly for this offer. And I want to publish this. And this will take a little while to publish. And then it's done. So now it's on Google My Business, it's on LinkedIn, it's on Facebook, and on Instagram. So you just have to wait for this to upload, and then that's done, and that will appear on your Google My Business profile as well. Thanks.